guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is PRC. Today I'll be talking about Nykaa's Hot Pink sale, which is starting from 23rd of July and it's up to 27th of July. So you'll get a lot of time to select your products and I am here to help you guys. Some of the products I really like and have been using since a very long time, and I saw the prices. There's some great discounts. So without wasting time, let's get the process started. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I have noted down all the favorite products over here in makeup and also in skincare, which I'll be telling you guys now. So starting on with the first one, that is lipstick. So in lipsticks, I really like Smashbox, and they have this great offer. They are selling the matte duo, which is Gulabi and Bossy for rupees 990, which is a steal deal because these lipsticks are really expensive. So I really like the formula of the lipstick and I'll swatch it for you guys. Well, so this is how the lipstick shade looks like. It's gorgeous, guys. Also, this is very long lasting, so I really prefer wearing this to my work. Next up is a kajal, and I'm talking about the K-Beauty kajal. I really like the K-Beauty kajal. I really like the fact that it's really dark, and I'll swatch it for you guys. And look at that, it's really dark and it's smudge proof to an extent, but it looks really nice and very soft and matte look. So this is for rupees 199 on sale, which is 25% off. So yeah, you'll find all the links in the description box below. Also the Nykaa link will also be in the description box below, so go check it out. Next up is a mascara, and this one is from L'Oreal Paris. This is the voluminous mascara, and I really like how it gives that strength and the volume to the lashes. It goes for a long time. It's very long lasting. The bristles are super thick. It gives a really nice definition to your lashes, and this one is on offer. This is for rupees 519 rupees, which is 35% off the original price. Okay, the next one is eyeshadow palettes, and how can we not love Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes? Eyeshadow palettes also have a great discount going on, and I have this one with me here. This is the only Huda Beauty palette that I own and I absolutely love it. So you'll find these small ones for 25% off, and the bigger ones, which is like this one, you will get 35% off, which means it's a steal deal, guys. If you are really into like makeup and you like eyeshadow palettes a lot, I think you should go for the bigger one because the price is 3494 right now, which is really nice. And these smaller ones are really handy and travel friendly as well. So this is how the shades look like. It's absolutely stunning. A must-have product is the Master Chrome highlighter from the brand Maybelline. This is how it looks, and I think I have spoken about it enough on my Instagram as well. So this is how the highlighter looks like. It's really sun-kissed highlighter and looks absolutely stunning. I have already, you can see me already wearing it today. So this is how it looks, and look at the glow. It's really stunning, guys. So yeah, this is my absolute favorite. So this one is for rupees 358 on offer, which is 35% off, you guys. So go add it to your cart right away. If you're looking for some really affordable lipsticks, I would recommend you buying this Nykaa So Cream lipsticks. This is really nice, very affordable. This on discount you will get it in 254 rupees, which is really good. It's very long lasting, and you can see the product. It's a lot actually. It will go for a very long time. I really like this color. This is in the shade Let It Snooze, and this is a very brownish nude, which I'll swatch it for you guys, and this is how it looks. It's a really nice color, very pigmented, and for rupees 254 I think it's really worth it. Now when it comes to concealer, I can blindly trust the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD. So this comes in different shades. You can also use this as a contour, you can also use this as a concealer. I really like how this works. This is my second tube. It's almost over, so I'm going to order a new one. But I think in concealer, this is the best concealer you can ever have, and I really like the pigmentation also. It gives a really natural finish and glow to your under eye. So I think this is the fab concealer. So go check out the link below and add it to your cart. So this one on offer, you will get it in rupees 476, which is like 25% off the original price. Also, if you're looking for an eyeshadow palette in a very affordable range, I would recommend this one. This is the Maybelline's nude eyeshadow palette. This I have been using for years now, and I just love how pigmented this particular eyeshadow palette is. The colors are really subtle, and for everyday wear, I think yeah, this one palette does the entire job. This one is for rupees 899, but on offer you will get 588 rupees, which is 35% off. So I really like to use setting sprays after you know, once my makeup is entirely done. So I trust NYX again. So this is the setting spray. This is the dewy finish setting spray. This really does the job, and I really like you know, how it keeps my makeup for a very long time, and also very giving it a very dewy look. So yeah, offer you will be getting it for 569 rupees. So yeah, this is a really good setting spray. Let's move on to the skincare brands, and I have few of the products which I totally love, and I have mostly seen the discounted rates on affordable skincare range. I really haven't seen any good discount on the premium brands, but let's wait for 23rd and see. You can, you know, check a particular brand if they are giving a lot of discounts on that. So moving on, we have the first product in skincare, which is, so this is from the brand Plum. This is the night gel, and I really like green tea you know, products, and Plum is really famous for their green tea products. I have a toner, I have a face cleanser, and a gel as well. So it came in a package. This one is really soothing. So if you want to go to your bed with some light moisturizer, I think this is the one. This is a very affordable night gel. Offer you will get the product for rupees 460 rupees, which is like 20% off, which is really nice. The second one is the Nykaa essential oils, and this is really working for me. I bought this recently. If you've seen my Nykaa haul, which I'll provide a link below, go check it out. I almost shopped for rupees 40,000, guys, and I got a lot of products. So yeah, this one I got very recently. I've started using it. This is the basil one, and they have a lot of other variants to it as well. This I use it on my face, not directly with the moisturizer, of course, and yeah, it has been working good, but I'll continue using it for you know, probably for a week more. But I really like the results and the feedback that I have seen on Nykaa and on YouTube as well. This really works good. So if you're looking for an essential oil, I think I will recommend Nykaa's essential oil. These products are on 15% off. Okay, now coming to a premium brand, this is Laneige. This is the sleeping mask, and I have been using this product since 1 year now, and it goes for a long way because there's a lot of product in there, and this is how the consistency looks like. And it's absolutely you know, hydrating and moisturizing. I wear this to sleep whenever I have a very dull skin or dehydrated skin. Lip sleeping mask, I think you can get it separately as well, but I love the sleeping mask. How the consistency looks like, it's really moisturizing. So Laneige is running offer for 10% off, so you'll get this particular mask in 630 rupees, which again, as I said, it goes really long way. So yeah, link in the description box below. Another brand which I absolutely love in skincare is the Dot & Key. I have already reviewed all the Dot & Key products on my YouTube video, so if you have not watched, then link is in description below. Go check it out. I have already you know, reviewed all the products, and you can see I have finished this product and I'm going to order it once again. This is absolutely amazing, guys. I have a acne prone skin, not acne prone skin, but I have got this hormonal acne since 2 years, and I have been struggling with that. But Dot & Key has really helped me, guys, and I really love the brand. So Dot & Key is running somewhere close to 10 to 15% on different products. So I'll provide the Dot & Key link, so you can go check their various products. I love so many products. My ultimate favorite will be this one. This is the hyaluronic serum. Another one which I use, and probably if you're following me on Instagram, you will be like, okay, how many times will you even say I love Avene? Avene is my favorite face wash or Cleanance gel. So this is a doctor recommended product. It's like really gentle, really soft on your skin. It feels so good, and it also works on people who have acne. This is the best product you can get, guys. So this is a must have. I really hands down like the product. And yeah, this product you know, Aveen's lot of other products as well, so they are all on 20% off. So yeah, you can go check it out. Looking for an affordable moisturizer, I think my all-time favorite will be Garnier's Wrinkle Lift. This one is the holy grail, guys. This is really good product. If you don't want to spend a lot on a moisturizer, this product is the best. I mean, I think you can call it as dupe for you know, any Estee Lauder product or Clinique product. I think it works equally good you know, on all skin types. So this is just for rupees 200, and right now on offer you will get it for like 150 or 199, guys. This is really good. Next product is a very Indian product, and I've been using since quite some weeks now, and this one is Dr. Sheth's Gentle Daily Peel, which is really good for people who have any you know, concerns, or even if you don't have any concerns like skin concerns like acne scars, you can still go ahead and use it. It really gives that you know, a clean face. So this one is for 20% off, and it's available at 680 rupees. So yeah, you can go check it out. Another very affordable night moisturizer, night cream you can call it as, is my all-time favorite, Kaya. So this product came in a PR package, and I was, you know, surprised to a different level that how great this product works. So this is called as the Brightening Night Cream, and it also claims to be you know, visible results in 7 days. I have seen the difference, guys. I have used this product. I have been recommending this product to people who have like uneven skin tone, who have a little bit of scars, and this really works. I have even recommended this to my mom, and she has been using this continuously, and she's loving it as well. So this works for all age groups. I would say all skin types, because this is you know, from Kaya, and Kaya, they have a set of doctors very experienced obviously in this particular field, so whatever they make is going to be a good product. And after testing, this is a good product, guys. This is the second one, and I have already run out of you know, product. Absolutely hydrating and very nice product, guys. This one is on 25% off. All the Kaya products is they are running on 25% off. Okay, so last but not the least, I would recommend a facial oil. If you want to try a facial oil, which is like Farsali, is a very high-end product, and something similar to that is the Indulgio. Indulgio is an Indian brand, and they have a lot of like rose gold oil and all of that. I have been trying the skin hydrator. This is something which I use before foundation. It gives me that natural, you know, flushed glowy look. It really glows. I mean, I really like how this works. I've been using it continuously. You can see I've already started using it you know, since quite some time, and I am loving this product, guys. Also, I have not tried the rose gold one, but I have got a lot of feedback that please try the rose gold. It's really nice, and I think yeah, it's affordable, it's nice, it's an Indian brand, so all the reasons to love it. So that is it for the Nykaa recommendations, guys. I hope you like it. Please use the links below. Those are all the affiliate links. I have an affiliation with Nykaa, and that's the reason I provide links. So if you buy from those links, that will be a great help to me. Also, if you're watching till here, then thank you so much for watching. I hope I gave you a fair recommendation. If you have anything specific, you can comment down below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.